place in Canary Wharf, London. -1 again, so we want to go to this one.
Yeah, we'll take this to 2.
Yeah, take it to 2.
And then back to -1. It's like the same type of thing, isn't it?
Oh, but this goes down to -4.
Oh. You gonna go to 2?
Can we go to 2?
We'll go to 2 as well.
Capacity 24 persons, 1,800 kilos.
Hmm.
There's a display here, display there. I think there was a display over here as well, but doesn't seem to be. Look, American with arrow. So if we look at this, floors 2, 1, 0, and 1 minus 1 popular, and then -2, 3, and 4 are service areas. No public access. Hopefully this goes down to -1 because I saw -4 being lit. Okay, we're at -1. We're safe.
Oh, okay. I pressed -4. I didn't realise it was a service. Oh, yeah, it's -1, isn't it? Oh, well, we gave it a go. No unauthorised access. Ooh, nice.
Well,
I like that one.
We didn't want to be too stupid. 0.
So I like the smell of this.
Level, street level 0, retail mall.
Oh, I remember these.
Street level 0, retail mall.
Yeah. We'll go on the fast way down to -4.
We've got 4 lifts here.
Capacity 21 persons, 1,600 kilos. Listen to how fast this is.
Promenade level -1, retail mall and car park.
Oh, someone's called it.
Someone's called it. Oh, -3 then.
Level -3, car park. Doors opening.
Oh, I really want to go a very fast way up or down.
Well, let's go to -1 after this.
I thought we would like to go to a full journey to 0.
Right, let's go out then.
Oh, are you guys going up?
Yeah, we're going up, yeah.
Thank you. What floor do you guys want?
Just the 0.
Where should we go to?
We'll just go to there.
0.
Oh yeah, that was fast.
Yep, I told you these were fast because Benno apparently said these are fast lifts.
Yeah, that's cool. Right, that's it then.
Thank you.
Cheers.
So street level 0 we're going.
At least you got a full journey.
4 lifts here.
Nice cab. These are so nice. That's it. Ooh, this looks cool.
Smells like the underground in here. We'll go up to 0. No voice. It actually says -1 in the display. 609 kilos, 8 persons. Here we have 0. And it says 0.
These doors.
I'm not sure what this lift is called, but it doesn't have a voice in it.
No voice.
Like ping pong in here. Doors closed. And that's it.
That's it.
This is a very nice Schindler lift.
Ooh.
At the Elizabeth Line station in
Oh, that's amazing. This is
Canary Wharf, London. It's a
Crossrail.
Schindler lift.
This is Crossrail Place.
Capacity 25 kilos. Oh wow, that sounds very nice. -2.
Bit juddery.
-3.
Very nice though.
Yeah. And then -4, which is the ticket hall.
Ooh, that's what we want. These doors. That's it.